All right, let's dive right in. We are living through one of the biggest financial shifts in history, and it's all because of AI. Now, this isn't some sci fi movie plot, it's real, it's happening as we speak, and you really, really need to understand what's going on.
So you might be wondering, how is this wealth gap even happening? Well, the source material points to something pretty stark. The world is literally splitting into two camps, two completely different types of people because of AI. And this isn't some slow, gradual thing, it's a massive, fundamental divide. And here's the reality, plain and simple. On one side, you've got folks who are already, right now, using AI to make money, to build their investments. And on the other side, well, you've got people who are about to be replaced by it. That gap between them, it's getting wider every single day. So the big question is, which side of that line are you going to be on?
Okay, let's get one thing straight right now. AI isn't something that's coming soon. It's not in the future, it's here. It is the present, and there are billions, even trillions of dollars moving around because of it, completely redrawing the economic map right under our feet. And I'm not exaggerating. We're talking about trillions with a T of dollars. That money is just pouring into AI companies, into the tools, the platforms, you name it. This isn't some little trend, it's a financial tsunami. And you've got to ask yourself, are you learning to ride this wave, or are you just going to get swept away by it?
So with all this happening, why do so many people get left behind? It usually boils down to one of three things, right? First, you've got the head in the sand approach. Just ignore it completely. Then there's the jump in blind strategy, which almost always ends with losing a bunch of money. And finally, there's the wait and see crowd, who waits so long for the perfect time to get in that they miss the opportunity altogether.
Okay, enough of the doom and gloom for a minute. Let's flip the coin and look at the other side. How are people actually winning with this stuff? Let's get into the nitty-gritty of the strategies that are building real wealth in this new AI economy.
The research really breaks it down into three main ways. First up, you've got the investor path, finding those promising AI companies and getting in early. Second, there's the creator path, and this is one almost anyone can try, using AI tools to actually build new income streams from scratch. And third is the trading path, using AI to help you make smarter moves in the market. Let's put this into perspective. You just have to look back at recent history. The internet, it created billionaires. And then it happened all over again. Smartphones, they created another wave of billionaires.
And now, right now, AI is doing the exact same thing. The pattern is crystal clear.
So if you're thinking about investing, how do you do it the smart way? Look, it is not about just throwing your money at any company that slaps AI in its name. The smart money looks for the real deal. Do they have a product that actually works? Are they making real money, revenue? Do they have a plan for the long haul? They're investing in solid value, not just temporary hype. But for every person striking gold, there's a whole bunch of people falling into what we could call the AI money pit. It's absolutely crucial we talk about these common, costly mistakes so you know exactly what to avoid. Yeah, there's a line in the source material that just nails it. Hype-driven decisions rarely end well. I mean, think about it. Emotion, that fear of missing out, or FOMO, those are terrible financial advisors. When everyone is screaming, buy, 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 that is almost always the time to be the most careful. And what does chasing that hype actually look like? Well, it's buying some random AI stock just because it's going up, without having a clue what the company even does. It's dumping money into some project you don't understand just because some influencer on social media told you to. I mean, come on, that's a total recipe for disaster.
And this really highlights a huge difference in mindset. The people who are winning, they see AI as a tool, right? A powerful assistant that helps them be smarter and more creative. The folks who are losing, they're trying to use AI as a replacement for their own brain, just blindly doing whatever it says without asking why.
And then there's mistake number 3, the oldest trap there is, trying to get rich quick. Seriously, this mindset destroys more money than anything else. AI is an incredible tool for building wealth over the long term, but the second you start looking for that overnight jackpot, you start making stupid risks and, well, you almost always lose. Okay, so we've looked at the gold rush, we've looked at the money pit. Now for the good part, the actual strategy. How do you build real, lasting wealth with AI? The source material gives us a super clear 5-step game plan.
All right, let's walk through it. Step 1, and this one's so important. Start with the skill, not the investment. Learn how to use the tools before you throw money at the companies making them. Step 2,
Build something. Start a simple, small income stream using AI. Get your hands dirty. Then, step 3, invest strategically. Now that you actually get it, you can invest smartly, not just guessing. Step 4 is key. Combine your human brain with AI's power. It's about teamwork. And finally, step 5, think long term. This whole thing is a marathon, not a sprint. I really want to zoom in on step 4 for a second, because this is the secret sauce. This is the whole game right here. The true advantage isn't the AI itself. It's the combination. It's your judgment, your creativity, your strategy, supercharged by the speed and power of these incredible AI tools.
Okay, we're getting to what might be the single most important idea in this entire discussion. If you get this one thing, it changes how you look at everything we've talked about. It's the real key to unlocking your potential with AI.
The source puts it this way. AI is not here to make everyone rich. It's here to amplify what you already are. Just let that sink in for a second. AI isn't a magic wand. It's not going to fix your bad habits or invent brilliant ideas for you. What it does do is take who you are, your skills, your habits, your discipline, and it puts them on steroids, for better and for worse.
So what does that look like in real life? It's simple. If you're a disciplined person with a good plan, AI is going to multiply your results. But if you're careless, if you're impulsive, well, AI is just going to help you make bigger mistakes way faster. It's an amplifier. That's all it is, a powerful neutral amplifier.
So when you boil it all down, winning in this new AI era has nothing to do with luck. It's not about finding a magic stock. It's all about understanding, preparation, and execution. It's about actually taking the time to learn, putting together a smart plan, and then, and this is the hard part, having the discipline to follow through. And so that leaves us with one final, and really the only question that matters. This isn't about tomorrow. This is about the next 5, 10 years of your life. So the question isn't, how do I get rich quick? The real question you should be asking yourself is, how am I going to position myself starting today to win in this new world? Think about it. Your answer to that is everything.